Hey, Dr. Han. I'm gonna go over with you how my stack queue hash set and array list program work. Here I just declared some car variables with this little car class that I made just so we can have some objects to work with. Let me see. So to demonstrate how a list works, I declared a list called list1. First we check is the list empty, and then I basically add everything from this little car array right here to that list. Then I print out the contents of the list using the basically just putting the list into a print statement. What do we have then? We also have then I check if it's empty. Once I check if it's empty, I'll basically print line, and it'll show the size of the list. Here we add one more car to the list, and then we display the size to demonstrate that it's increased. And then here again, once the size is increased, I display the list to show the new car inside of it. Let me see, print line car1 and list1. Okay, here we get the index of car object car1. And let me see, then we remove the car one. Once we removed it, we check the size again. The first object on list is then we first object on list one, basically get the very first object right here, and it displays it, and then I show the very last object. That way you can see the front and the back of the list. And then we clear the list, print out that the list is cleared, and then we check if the list is empty with the isEmpty method. Here I have a demonstration of the hash set, and let me see. So in the hash set, basically I convert that little array that I had of cars to an array list, and then we add everything to set1. I declare that I've added everything to set1. Then we basically print set1 out. Once it's been printed out, we check if it's empty. After that, let me see, set1 size. I check the size of set1. Then we add car1, aka Ultima, to set1. And then, oopsies, I think that's car2 actually. And then I basically print out the size again to demonstrate that the size has increased. Oopsies, so it is car1. Oopsies. Alright, so we add car2 to set1 and demonstrate that it has been increased by printing the entire set. Then I add let's see, I'm sorry, that was out of car1. Oh, that's just announcing it. So I add car2. Then basically I print out a boolean to demonstrate that set1 actually, I'm sorry, does indeed contain car2. Let's see what else we got here. Then we clear set1. Basically declare that it's clear, and then we check if it's empty. To demonstrate how the stack works, let me see, I declared a new stack. We check if it's empty first. I declare that we're going to add 3 cars, then I add 3 cars with the push method. Then we print the contents of stack 1. Then I check if stack 1 contains car 1 using the contains method. Once that's done, I take a peek into stack 1 to see what's on top. Calling the pop method. Here we call the pop method to delete, the last index. Since the stack works on last in, first out. Oopsies. Last in, first out. Okay, yeah. Then let's see, system print line, take a peek into stack. Oh yeah, this one throws an exception since basically the list is empty and we're checking to see if it's empty. So I basically just put it inside of a try catch statement. Let me see. Stack one dot peak is stack one dot empty. Oh yeah, here since it's empty, we just double check that the empty method returns the correct boolean. Then I basically declare that I'm going to add car 4 to stack 1, and then we use the push method to add the car. After that, we print the contents of it to demonstrate that the car is indeed in the list. I'm sorry, in the stack. And then we print the index. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we print the index where the car is located. So I'm pretty sure that one's going to return the very last one. I'm sorry, the very first one, since this is a stack. Let's see. And then the queue demonstration. First, I declare a queue called Q1. We check if it's empty. We add 3 cars. We declare that 3 cars have been added. Q1. And then I basically do like a boolean. Or I'm sorry, not a boolean. I basically print the contents of Q1. We check if it's empty. We take a peek into it to show that that it works in the first in last out logic. So it shows that the Nissan Altima is indeed at the very end, and then basically remove the very last one. What else do we got here? Take a peek to see what the contents are now. Print the contents out again. We check. We do a boolean check if it's empty, and then we remove one more car, and then we peek again to see what's like which part of the list is being edited or manipulated. And that's pretty much it. I have these. I'm sure you'll be able to see that in the PNG. It's a bit hard to read, but I tried my best to make it like as organized as possible.